Digital Mag presents UlefoneTab A7 10.1-inch 64GB 4G LTE Android 11 tablet. Lightweight and slim, the UlefoneTab A7 is designed for optimal portability. The metallic back cover provides an ultra-modern premium look and feel. UlefoneTab A7 runs the latest Android 11 operating system out of the box, which gives a ton of control to you when it comes to privacy and security. And upgrades in conversation bubbles enable you to stay focused on whatever else you're doing while keeping the conversation going. Access the chat anytime or anywhere. Then carry on doing you. The UlefoneTab A7 is powered by the strong performance octa-core processor, which integrates 8 ARM Cortex A55 cores to give your Tab A7 a powerful boost, offering faster and smoother performance. It also supports the AI acceleration function, which intelligently speeds up your frequently used apps and makes the experience even better. UlefoneTab A7's fast processor and 4GB RAM enable you to quickly switch between multiple applications. With 64GB of internal storage, you can delete less and keep more of the videos, photos, and songs you love. In addition, it also supports up to 128GB TF card expansion, so you can easily get another storage space. UlefoneTab A7 is equipped with a 10.1-inch Full HD IPS screen with a resolution of 1920x1200, providing you a more comfortable and immersive visual experience, whether you are playing games or watching your favorite program, or even reading manga One Piece. The full lamination process not only provides good touch responsiveness, but also brings a more transparent and clear display effect. With the smart split-screen function, UlefoneTab A7's large screen can be divided into a dual-window display, which comprehensively enhances the browsing experience. When shopping, you also can reply to the business email. When studying, your children also can make notes or search the new words at the same time. Multitask applications in the horizontal screen, whether studying, entertaining, or working, will make you enjoy yourself. UlefoneTab A7 is also equipped with a smart keyboard, incarnate as a tablet assistant, easy and efficient editing, restoring your familiar laptop desktop experience. Multi-window, multitasking operation, more fun and satisfaction you can get. Meanwhile, you can use the keyboard to edit complex documents, process professional forms, make cool mind maps, finish video conferencing, and so on. Although it's the body shape of a tablet, it's ability of a laptop, and it will accompany you lightly and simply. The smart keyboard accessory is not included in the package, please purchase it separately. The UlefoneTab A7 offers an enhanced eye comfort mode that effectively reduces harmful blue light. When the device is too close to your child's face, or when your child reads while laying down, it is perfectly designed to protect your children's eyesight. The large screen vision can make your eyes be in different surprises. UlefoneTab A7 currently matches the number of Android applications that have exceeded 3,000 plus. Whether you are doing audio-visual, entertainment, or educating your children, all of you can find your own unique and novel experiences on UlefoneTab A7. It is packed with a 13 megapixels camera on the back, so you can capture the happy moments, beautiful scenery in your journey and your daily life. Record your memorable moments anytime, anywhere. 5 megapixels camera on the front enables you to capture high-quality selfies and make a clear video call. And it works with the intelligent face recognition system for swift face unlocking. Long battery endurance enables you to freely play with pleasure. This 7680 mAh battery makes UlefoneTab A7 provide 9-hour online video playback. The tablet supports 10-watt fast charging that quickly gets it back to 100% battery. The UlefoneTab A7 enables you to watch videos, play games, chat with friends, or download your favorite apps anytime via the 4G network. UlefoneTab A7 is equipped with dual-box speakers which can deliver high-quality, clear surround sound. Whether you're listening to music, watching movies, or playing games, you will definitely enjoy it. Type-C charging port. Headphone jack. Face unlocking will bring enhanced security and be more convenient for busy times or tight moments. It helps you quickly access your UlefoneTab A7 without any other move, making contactless unlocking come true. The tablet supports triple global navigation satellite systems. Wherever you get stuck, you can take it out, type the destination, and then it will navigate to the place. It helps you to explore your dream travel destination like a local no matter where you are. Thank you for watching the Digital Mag video. Please like and subscribe to Digital Mag channel for more videos.